Good morning to you. Children, in olden days, people did not have any machine. You know that. When man lived in jungle, in caves, they did not know how to dig out the minerals or metals from underneath the soil and make different machines out of it. They depended solely on muscular force, which we studied that there are different type of forces. Muscular force. They lifted their things, they carried the logs of wood, they maybe carried their animals, whatever they did, or building the houses I mean the huts and the temporary shelters, all of them depend on muscular force. So their work was little difficult and they had to use lot of energy, but slowly man, as you know, is an intelligent animal and started thinking and started digging the soil and taking out the minerals and metal. Maybe they dug the soil because they had to grow crops and they found those minerals and metals and they started thinking and using them. And then they started making small tools. First of all, they made tools like for protecting themselves. They made some weapons and tools for cutting the wood, because at that time they needed wood to build their small or simple houses they made, or they need those logs of wood to burn burn them and cook their food. They needed them to carry their goods. Slowly man progressed, and so they need simple tools. They needed some small tools for digging the soil, for farming. In this way they started making simple machines. Children, later on man used their brains and started making simple machines, and from there we started making complex machines. Children, in the previous module, as I had shown you, scissors and staplers, these are simple tools, knives, which we use in our homes for doing work. Machines make our work easier. It helps human beings to do more work in less time without giving much effort. Isn't it? Like you just see that washing clothes in the washing machine, or maybe your mixer grinder in the kitchen. In the olden days, people had to grind all their spices in the stones, and they had that pestle, and they had to grind it and make it into the form of powder, and then they use as spices. But now within few seconds we can say that the spices are ready. We have mixer grinder, we have juicer. So all these simple tools help human beings to do their work faster and easier. In this way, they are the tools which make our work easier and faster. They help us to do the work by applying force at a convenient point, which either changes the direction of the force or increases the force applied. So we have to give give our force to that convenient place so that we can do our work faster or change the direction. Now, in the coming modules, in the coming week, we will be studying that how these simple tools work, or simple machines. There are different type of simple machines, like we have lever, wheel and axle, like you have seen your car, that wheel, lever. We have studied in 4th standard how that seesaw and the scissors, they all function. And then you have the screw, then you have pulley, pulling the water from the well, and the inclined plane when the trucks, they unload their things from the truck by inclining the thing, and then the other things we will be studying. So in this way, the simple tools, if we use the force in the convenient place, we can do our work faster and we can do our work easier, as well as we can change the direction of the thing, like I told you previously, using bicycles and riding a bicycle, you turn and you apply the force and you turn the way you want to go. So in this way, force should be applied at a convenient point so that the change of direction of the force or maybe increasing of the force. Okay, thank you children.